What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video, and today I'm really excited. I might not look that excited because I have had it in here for a minute, so but I finally got something that I have been wanting for a very long time. So if you want to see what it is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Prince Squad, if you was on my live stream on the Red Channel this morning, you actually kind of got a little sneak peek of what this video is going to be about. So if you didn't, you missing out. You need to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell on that channel also. But today I have my son over here to help me out with something because I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. So I got a package delivered this morning. It was a huge package. It came in through UPS. And not just the UPS underground, I mean UPS ground. It came in the UPS packing shipping company, the 18-wheeler, whatever you call that one. I don't know, freight, UPS freight, that's it. So yeah, it's huge. It came in on pallets and everything. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple minutes to guess and see if y'all can figure out what it is. If y'all can leave the links down below what you think it is. And the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean off this desk over here so that I can you know, have a place for it, because it's another video I'm gonna do right after this to have a place to set it up. So let me move the camera. So while I'm cleaning this off, y'all can guess below and see what you think it is. And look, I also have these packages right here to unbox, so I will be unboxing those in another video. Let me see. Junk over here on this desk. Let me see. Y'all, I don't want to have to remove everything off of this desk. But this is about the strongest thing I have. So I'm going to have to move some stuff around. So I'm going to have to go ahead and do it. Let's see. I need to really get rid of some of this stuff. Alright, so I think this is going to be where the gloves supposed to be. I'll just kind of slide some stuff back now. So hopefully that's good enough. I'm just going to slide the rest of this stuff back to make some room. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this box right here. Let me see. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead. I actually already did unbox it earlier to check it out, because as you see right here, it kind of had a little dent in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So this book kind of gives it away right here, huh? That gives it away pretty much. All right, so let me see. You want to get on that side? We can take this off. Uh-oh. All right, so first thing I'm going to show you guys is this. This is a 6x10 pallet or platen. It comes free this month. For the month of May, they are giving this away. So let me see, I'm trying to open it up. Let me get this knife. What was it? Oh. All right, this little screw rolled out of there. So here's this right here. Here's the platen, pallet, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Oh, okay, that does go right there. That screws in right here. Okay, put this to the side. And this big bad mama jamma right here, hopefully we can get it out of here. Let me see how we gonna lift, son. You can probably lift here, and I could probably lift here. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's gonna fit right here. Oh! No, it didn't. It didn't do good. Here, slide this back. Can you set that box on top of that? All right, y'all. So here it is right here. Y'all can kind of check it out. This bad boy is pretty big, as y'all see. It's pretty huge. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna get the camera and let y'all check it out. Okay, right here, y'all can check it out. Look at there. Like that. It's got the little pin for your control panel up there. Why is it not going up? I don't know. Oh, you got lifted up. I'm sorry, I done got used to that other press. Alright, so the pull-out drawer right here. Y'all can check it out. Power button. The power cord is actually right over here. Okay, so let me lift this up. Alright, and check out this pull-out drawer right here. Wow. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. And go ahead and put this back down. All right. Look at there, the Stalls logo right there. Stalls logo right there. That's like embossed, I guess you would call that. Embossed on there. And also have this 6x10 pallet platen. I have to see what I'm gonna use that for, but hey, it was free, so we got that too. All right, Print Squad, what I just did was I took my measuring tape and I measured this from the legs. I'm gonna show you how the legs are on this thing right here. Like right here, here's the back legs right here and right there, and then you have the front legs right here. So from measuring from here, which is the back, and here, which is the front, that's about 30 inches wide. So what I ended up doing, the spot that I was planning on putting the press, which is right over here where the Signature Series is at, this is not quite 30 inches wide. So it's not really going to be able to hold this press, so I'm going to have to get a different table for it. I have to get a new table for it, so I'm going to have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I was actually looking at some tables yesterday online, because I was like, okay, for both presses, I gotta have a setup for both other presses. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but that's the unboxing video, and that's all I have for you guys today. I kind of just wanted to unbox and let you guys check it out because I was excited about it and wanted to show you guys. But that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and my red channel so that you can see the live streams that I do daily over on that other channel. Also, you can join that Print Squad group and follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check below this video in the description box for links. And be sure to buy stuff using my links for Heat Press Nation, and that way I can try to get enough sales so that I can get you guys a discount code. But I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out. Wait, the video is not over. Hold on, my son said he wanted to say something, so I'm going to direct the camera over to him. All right, son, what you want to tell him?
Y'all guys don't forget to press the like button.
Yeah, did y'all get it? He trying to do a joke, like press the like button. All right, Print Squad out. So, because this thing possibly arrived with a little bit of damage, let me see. As you see right here, I'm going to go ahead and open this. It's not going to be the conventional unboxing like usual, but let me see. I'm trying to set this up where everything will pick up. Alright, so I'm going to just check this out right quick. good. It's just damage on the side right there. Yeah. Hey. It's good.
Alright, I just need you to sign that paperwork, okay?
Okay. Yeah, everything looks good. It's just, I'm gonna show y'all right here. Y'all see right there? It's just a little damage right here to this, but everything else looks good, so we'll just have this video just in case. Yeah, we'll have this video just in case, but everything looks good. I'm gonna check back in shortly.